I just bought a cryptocurrency mining machine. This is by MatchX. They're a company out of the European Union, I think Germany. Well, let's do the unboxing. There's only been one review online so far for this that's done a YouTube video, and he said he was making $14 a day with this. And that's what also the other platforms say. Telegram, everybody on Telegram saying that they're making like 14, 15 bucks a day. I decided, what the hell, let's give it a shot. So just came in today, super excited. Let's see if we can open this thing. Very nice packaging, I gotta give it to it. All right, got your directions here. Here is the machine. I'm gonna mount it in the window. Comes with a super long Ethernet cable. You got your splitter, that goes to the power supply. This is nice if I was gonna mount it to like a pole or something. Maybe I should build one out of my window. And then we got all three antennas right here. Is this anything? Oh. One of the best parts about this mining rig is that it only took 7 days to come. Every single other one of the miners, whether it's Helium is another popular IoT miner, that takes like 2 months. I think the closest one was April on a couple of their different websites. So it's like absolutely impossible to get these, but came in 7 days, and it is the easiest process of all time to set up. All you have to do is plug it into the power, plug it into your router, and then set it up in the window like I'm going to show you guys right now. All right, guys, here's my M2 Pro setup. I have it sitting right between the screen and the window because I've heard that some windows have protective coatings on it that mess with the radio frequency, so I have it on the outside just in case. It's sitting right next to my digital TV antenna, which was only 25 bucks on Amazon, gets me like 30 channels, don't have to pay anything per month. But I mean, the M2 Pro was so easy to set up. It took me like probably 5 minutes. There is an Ethernet cable that it's plugged into. It's going under the window. Comes down to the power source right here, which gets plugged into the outlet. So you got an Ethernet going into the M2 Pro, and then the other Ethernet goes right into my router right here. All right, so I showed you the setup. It was so easy to plug in. It took me, again, only 5 minutes because they ship you everything that you need. There isn't any other antennas that you need to go buy that are another $100 that you need to add. It is a little bit pricey. Right now, you can get it for $3,000 from the MatchX website. It differs depending on what the euro to US dollar conversion rate is currently. But again, it's so worth it. You're getting $11 a day, and one of the biggest things is it's a multi-currency miner. There's MXC, which is the native MatchX currency. There is another token called DHX. It stands for Data Highway. That's in pre-mining stages right now. So you can make, I think I heard that it's going to be around $1 when it comes out. So you can make, depending on how much you stake of MXC, you can make around anywhere from 0.5 to 3 coins a day of that. And then also a huge project that they are doing is Bitcoin mining with the M2 Pro. You're able to mine Bitcoin, and people are mining around $2 of Bitcoin per day. So when you add all of this up, you get a $15 per day miner, which is right on par with a lot of even GPU mining and ASIC mining. Some of them are just so expensive right now. I tried to do some ASIC hosting, and to buy, I think an Antminer 17, the S17 was like $6,000 for that, just because they're so hard to get right now. And believe me, it's 7 days, and I love it. It's so great. So this is MXC's app called DataDash. I've been mining for 7 days exactly. Started 1 week ago, and I made 75 bucks. That comes up to just under $11 a day, and I've been doing nothing but mining MXC. Some people do staking, and I'm going to once I get more MXC. And this is also without mining any other currency, without mining DataDash, and without mining Bitcoin. So here you can see all of the daily revenues with MXC that I've been getting over the past week, and it's been pretty good. It generally ranges in the high 400s to mid 500s, which at 2 cents a day is pretty good. This is also one of my favorite parts about the M2 Pro. It is the only IoT miner that is a multi-token miner. It can get you MXC, DHX based on how much you want to stake, and Bitcoin. It's ridiculous that you could mine Bitcoin on this machine. And when you're mining all 3 tokens simultaneously, it gets you around $15 a day. All right, so we're on MXCmapper.com. It is a website by MXC that shows you where all of the M2 Pro miners are located. Those are the navy blue circles, and it tells you how many there are. The best part about MXC is you don't need to be near other ones, and I repeat, you do not need to be near other ones. The rate is the same no matter where you are. You could be in the middle of East Jabib and still get $11 to $15 per day. Lastly, I just wanted to close it off by showing you the coin market cap. You can see right now it's about 2 cents, and back in even as soon as December and January, you could see is at 1 cent. So it doubled in the course of 1 to 2 months. Guys, thank you for watching my video today. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And everybody that made a ton of money on the meme stonks, get a M2 Pro miner. You won't regret it, because the days that the stonk market falls, we keep making money.